PixBee is a free AI-powered photo editor that allows you to create stunning and professional visuals. You can easily remove backgrounds, change scenes, and improve photo quality in seconds. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So as you can see, once you go onto the website, you'll be brought to this page. As you can see, there are quite a few things you can do here. I'm going to go onto the free AI tools and yeah, there's a number of things we can do over here. I'm going to go for the PhotoEnhancer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop an image I've already got here. Cool, so I'm going to use this image that I've got here and let's see what this looks like once PixBee has enhanced it. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. But yeah, you've still got a few other AI tools you can use. You've got background remover, you've got background changer, logo background remover, signature background remover as well, AI replace, magic eraser, AI image extend, and watermark remover. So yeah, definitely check this out. I'm going to compare these two and see, is there any particular difference? After checking the images before and after, once I downloaded them, I did see that the image quality was actually improved noticeably. So yeah, definitely check this out. There are a bunch of free ways you can actually improve your images, and yeah, this may be the exact AI image editing platform you've been looking for. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe, and if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.